It is the best way to begin my speech with self-introduction. I'm Grace. I'm the CEO of Possible English Institution, which is exactly located in Madurai. I have been conducting WhatsApp classes since 2011. I have come to introduce a very beautiful plan where everyone can interact in English. You find very difficult to interact with people and you may not be having friends to chat with them every day. So I'm going to begin a group. This group comprises 50 members to 100 members. If you are interested to be the member of this group, you can just stay in this group for 6 months exclusively, and you can interact with your friends at any time, and the hours which I have given, it is enough for your development, because you can chat with anyone at any time. You can chat with anyone for 12 hours. Then who can guide this group? So this may be the question. Let me clarify your doubts. I can stay there to guide this group, and I can correct the mistakes now and then, and even during my convenient time. And I can just forward your message or take a screenshot of your particular conversation. If you have gone wrong, I will correct the mistakes and I'll give it back. So this is the procedure. I'm going to build a very beautiful group which will help millions. If you want to share this video with others, let them be also benefited by you. So I hope you can also join this group and you can welcome others to be the member of this group. Thank you for watching. I have attached the link of this particular group. If you want to become more and more interactive person, you can join our interactive session, 12 hours interactive session. It is going to be exclusively helpful for everyone all over the world. Take care. And one more question, is it payable course? Of course, it is payable course. You have to pay the least amount for 6 months. If you want to know the more details from me about the course, you can just contact me immediately and you can get involved in the group and you can clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.